Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram Reels zoom issue. Alright, so let's begin. If your screen looks zoomed in or things don't display properly, don't worry. There's a simple fix you can try right from your phone settings. First, go ahead and exit the Instagram app. Then open your phone's settings and look for the app section. Once you're inside apps, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Instagram and tap on it. Now inside the Instagram app settings, go to storage. Here you'll see options like clear cache and clear data. Go ahead and tap on both of these options. This will remove temporary files that might be causing the zoom issue. Don't worry, this won't delete your personal account or permanently remove your data, but you may need to log back in. After clearing the cache and data, open Instagram again and check if the problem has been fixed. In most cases, this method works and resolves the zoom issue quickly, and that's it. This is how you can fix Instagram Reels zoom issue. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.